The Mangonada is an extremely popular drink throughout Mexico and other Latin countries. My name is Tony Pereyra, and today I'll make for you this delicious and refreshing drink that's made with fresh mango, chamoy, lime juice, agave nectar, and a little Tajin for that right kick of heat and spice. For this drink, we're gonna be building directly into the blender. For our first ingredient, we're gonna add 2 ounces of our fresh mango nectar. We're gonna add 1 cup of fresh mango just to give that extra texture. We're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of agave syrup, another 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, and we're just gonna add some ice to get this blended. And now we're all set. But before we start blending, we're gonna wanna set up our drinking glass. First, we're gonna wanna add our rim. We're gonna dip directly into our chamoy and just kind of circulating this around, making sure you get this all over the rim of the glass, just like so. And now we're gonna dip right into our Tajin and rubbing that all the way around. I absolutely love this stuff. Voila. And for our last step, we're gonna add about 1 ounce of chamoy, but we're just gonna rim it right around the glass. Like so. And now our glass is set and we're ready to blend. Alrighty, and that should do it. We want to blend for about 15, maybe 20 seconds. And now we're going to pour directly into our glass. Get that all the way to the top. So. And now it's time for the garnish. We're going to add 1 of our tamarind candies right on top, along with some additional fresh mango. And now we're just gonna sprinkle just a little bit more of that Tajin right on top. And here is our Mangonada. Looks delicious, the color's fantastic. It's dripping on my hand, I'm gonna have to try. Oh, absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy.